Alright guys, how you doing? So I'm making progress. Finished all the painting. Start putting things together now. Painted all this, didn't have to, but I had the orange and the light blue left over. Yeah, I still didn't get the paint off of it yet. She's coming along pretty nicely, I must say. Finished with the brake. Finished with the rear brake. Rear brake's done. Just need to put the pedal back on. I ran out of paint to paint that. I'm debating if I'm gonna paint that or not. The radiator came out real nice. The radiator protector. The plastic for the ram air. Yes, came out. It painted these nuts. I was gonna paint them blue. Ran out of blue. Ended up painting them red. So, all in all, bike's come out pretty nicely so far. Stay tuned, guys. I'll let you know tomorrow.